If you're experiencing login failure 2025 in PUBG, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your platform store or launcher and install any available patches. Step 4. Verify your internet connection. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and get back to playing PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.